Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, of course. Hope you had a great weekend. And welcome to this new video on Fetch. Wanted to do my daily update. So far, if you watch my video, it's been completely accurate, all right? And that's certainly not always the case for me. I mean, Fetch is quite volatile and difficult to predict sometimes. But yesterday, the price was quite bullish, right? We actually had a fake out right here, which, by the way, in the weekend, if you get a breakout, it's very often a fake out due to the low liquidity and you need trending markets for a real breakout. So we reclaimed that. And then apart from that, what you saw, and that's no longer the case right now, but yesterday you did see right here that AI very much, here we reset, but AI was the strongest performer yesterday. All right. And what is the strongest performer within AI? It's Fetch. All right. So yeah, what we said yesterday is that it was most likely that we would get up to the top of the range. You can see that Fetch is kind of it's not set in, it's not that clear, but it's kind of consolidating here. It's very volatile within that range, and we have some spikes above and spikes below. But we're consolidating in that range. So what I said yesterday is that, all right, I think it's most likely we get up to the range. And that there's a possibility that we will break out. But yesterday I also said that with the current circumstances for Bitcoin, and then also with the momentum that Fetch had, I mean, if you look at the open interest for Fetch, it was going up yesterday, but oh wait, I have to look at it differently. It was going up, but the open interest was not by far not as high as it was the last times we actually were breaking above $3 or trying to break above $3. So that's a divergence, right? I mean, if you look at the price and you see that this is basically flat and the momentum is going lower, that's a divergence. And this is a bearish one, I would say. So yeah, momentum was not high enough. I said yesterday we could break above that if the momentum actually goes much higher, but the momentum just stopped going up. So not enough momentum, strong resistance level at $3 caused a drop down, and now we are just back into the same consolidation. All right, that's just the situation for Fetch. And it's even, I mean, I would actually say, I mean, if you look at Fetch and talk about AI, I think AI in crypto still has a very bright future. So I think Fetch also still has a very bright future. I think if you look at the market cap right now, it's 2.25 billion, but in a very bullish market and an optimistic scenario, this could still 10x. So I am bullish on Fetch, but right now I just think it's like a lot of coins are losing momentum, and Bitcoin also doesn't look that strong. So ultimately, I think it's really down to what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin can actually turn bullish here again, break above 70,000, for example, then there's a possibility that Fetch rallies, but there's no indication of a Fetch rally right now. Like I said, there's no momentum. Excuse me, I'm just drawing all over the place here. So for now, I think it's most likely that Fetch will actually find some support here because we are at the middle of the consolidation. But that ultimately we will drop down to the bottom here. I don't think the bottom at 2.5 and 2.45 will break. If Bitcoin gets a massive drop right here, we will break down below that, but I don't expect that necessarily. So I think we'll just consolidate here. And for now, due to what I think about AI and the markets, I think it's most likely that eventually we will get a bullish breakout and do something like this. All right. But the thing is, and I want you to realize that, is this all very much depends on what Bitcoin does. I don't think the NVIDIA conference is going to do much for AI anymore. Maybe the rally we had yesterday was kind of the last rally we got. And now we just have to wait for some sort of clear market direction. And then based on that, we can actually know what Fetch is going to do. For now, I think it's most likely that we'll spike up a bit, drop back down, stay in the range, and then ultimately we'll break out. But I will keep you updated on that. For now, don't worry too much about it. So if you do have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.